Researchers hope a Perth study can help fast-track a potentially life-saving breast cancer treatment. The drug reduces the chances that the most aggressive strain of the disease will return, but it could be some time before it's available locally.
It's been 2 years since Shereen Jolly felt a lump in her breast, shocked to later discover the tumour was one of the most aggressive forms of breast cancer.
If it had been a smaller lump and just isolated to the breast, then it might have been okay. But because it was in the lymph, I thought, oh, most likely it will come back.
For a quarter of women diagnosed with the HER2-positive strain, the cancer will return. Shereen is now part of a trial for a breakthrough post-chemo cancer treatment led by Perth-based Professor Arlene Chan.
Even in women who are diagnosed early, there is still a significant risk of relapse, even despite the best standard of care treatment, which is currently chemotherapy and a drug called trastuzumab.
In a 2009 trial, the drug Neratinib was given to almost 3,000 breast cancer patients around the world. 6 pills taken daily for a year to stop the disease coming back.
We were able to demonstrate that the drug actually did improve the survival rates of these women as we had hoped that it would.
Neratinib has now been approved by the US Food and Drug Administration and could become the standard treatment for post-chemo patients. But it's not known exactly when the drug will become available here.
I'm hopeful that with the FDA approval, which is clearly a recognition of the worthiness of this drug, that it will be approved in Australia shortly.
It's on the road to being available to everybody, which is fantastic because it's another step that might help.
Cindy Lavrentschik, 10 Eyewitness News.